Have you ever seen this safety warning? It means that a website doesn't have SSL or what is now known as TLS security. But what is a TLS certificate? TLS stands for Transport Layer Security. It's designed to keep sensitive information like usernames, passwords, and internal information safe from malicious attacks. It works by encrypting data as it passes between websites and servers until it reaches its intended destination. This guarantees that your data cannot be intercepted by hackers. A security certificate is essential, not only for e-commerce websites, but for all websites on the internet. Why, you might ask? Well, it protects your data, it increases trust, and it affirms that you are the verified owner of your website. Remember the safety warning you saw at the beginning of this video? Well, if visitors see this security warning, they will immediately know that your website is not secure. You won't get that warning if your site is secured with a certificate. Having a security certificate also improves your SEO because encryption is considered a ranking signal in Google's search algorithm. But how do you get a certificate for your website? Well, if you use the Foleon domain, like mybusiness.foleon.com/magazines, your site will be secured by default, by us. But if you want to use a custom subdomain, like magazines.mybusiness.com, you will have to provide your own certificate yourself. This isn't difficult. You can buy a certificate from your domain host or another trusted vendor like DigiCert or GlobalSign. Keep in mind that you are not tied to your domain host for a certificate. Usually TLS certificates are valid for 1 or 2 years and you can renew them before they expire. If you want to know more, just visit learn.foleon.com or discover Foleon at foleon.com/product.